Hey guys, just going around doing some spring maintenance on this, plugs, oil, dielectric greasing stuff again. But I just wanted to show you like the air intake on the Alterra here. Same for 550, 700. But I wanted to see the clutch here. Goes up here to about this height on the air box, about where the intake is over there, and then comes back down to this height right here. You can see that pipe right in there. This is the clutch pipe right here. Then the intake for the airbox runs in right here in the bottom of the airbox. There is a little bit of space underneath that, about an inch or so, so if you did get a little bit of water in there, you wouldn't suck it in too bad, too fast. But then you've got your drain over here, of course, but then your intake runs up here and is right up under here, under the front. And that is how high your intake for the airbox is. So if you wanted to snorkel this, really all you have to do is to, can't get a good angle on it, but really all you have to do is to snorkel your clutch. I'd snorkel the clutch, move it up, like pipe it all the way up here to where the airbox intake's coming in. That's really all you have to do. The airbox is already snorkeled up here, and then just run a pipe for the clutch. And to do that, there is enough room. If you use the same kind of piping that they have for the airbox here, there is enough room that you could slip it under here and then run it up almost alongside this one here. Then with your clutch exhaust back there, obviously intake is up here. This also runs up to the cowl up here, and intake for your clutch and for your engine intake both ran up to this height up here. The only thing with your clutch exhaust being about the height of your clutch, the engine there, is you're maybe going to be sucking in some water there if you get in some deeper stuff. So let me know what you guys think in the comments about snorkeling that exhaust up a little bit higher. But that is the air intake on the Alterra 550 and 700. Thought y'all might like to see that. So follow along, subscribe. Got spring maintenance coming up on this. See you guys in the next video.